Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Queen Beliza. This is me Shazia. In today's video, I have come up with an glamorous but easy and very ready to go Eid makeup look. So if you're interested, please keep on watching my video, and if you like my content, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the further video. To prime my skin, I'm using Iba Halal primer. I'm going to take a pea-sized amount of this primer in between my fingers, and I'm going to rub this primer in between my fingers and then apply it on the centers of my face and massage it very gently into my skin. I'm enjoying this Eid makeup look. Let me know if you also enjoy festive and special occasion makeup look with me. So for foundation, I'm going to use a very dewy and a glass skin like foundation, which is LA Girl Pro Coverage Foundation. I'm in the shade Nude Beige. So I'm going to mix this foundation with an illuminator because I want a dewy and a very glowy look. So I'm taking this NYX illuminator, Born to Glow illuminator. I'm going to mix this illuminator in the foundation which I've taken on the back of my hand to make this look very dewy and glowy. I'm going to mix it with my fingers first on my hand, and then I will dot this on my entire face. Wherever I require lots of coverage, there I will apply a bit more than the usual areas. To blend my foundation, I am using a kabuki brush. I am going to run this setting spray from All Nighter, Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. I am going to run this spray on my brush first, and then I am going to use this wet brush to blend my foundation to make this look very glowy, dewy and a glow from within type of look. You will immediately see that I will get a very dewy and a fresh looking skin, which we really want to have on occasions which are very dear to us or festivals like Eid. Going to blend this in circular motions. Don't forget your neck and your ears when you're applying your foundation, so that it all looks even skin toned and you don't have a different face of a different color and neck of a different color. See how dewy this foundation is looking. See, I'll come up close and I'll show you the dewy and the very glittery and party-like effect in this foundation with the help of this illuminator. You can see that this is looking so dewy and glass pane-like. See the shimmer over here on my high points. See, this looks very beautiful. So next up, we'll go with the concealer, and for concealer I'm using Urban Decay concealer. This is a naked skin concealer. I'm going to use this on the usual areas where I like to highlight my face: under my eyes, on my eyelids, center of my nose, forehead, around my mouth. Little bit you look like a joker when you're applying your concealer, but then when you blend it, you get immediately you get amazing results. Keep your hand very free and smooth when you're applying your concealer. This flat brush is very precise to go under your eyes, on your eyelids, and to blend your concealer very beautifully. To set my concealer, I'm using the Wet n Wild palette. This has a banana powder and a bronzing powder, so I'm going to use both these powders. I'm just going to set my under eyes. I don't want the dewiness and the glass skin like effect from this look to go away, so I'm just going to dab this under my eyes and on my eyelids as well, just these areas, because I don't want the dewiness and the freshness of this makeup look to go away because of excessive use of powders. So I will not use a lot of powder, just going to use it very gently. Onto my face, I'm using the same bronzing shade from the Wet n Wild palette. I'm using this flat brush and picking up the pigment, making a fish face. Contouring my nose as well, very closely, drawing two lines and merging it with my eyebrows. You can take more if you want, and with the help of buffing brush, I'm going to blend this in circular motions. Immediately you can see a dimension in my face. This looks very much structured and chiseled. Moving on with the eyes, I'm using the Morphe 35F palette. This is a very beautiful blend of colors. As you can see, I'm going to use first this burnt orange shade in the palette right here. Taking a flat brush, picking up the pigment and applying on the entire eyelid. Blending it in circular motions. Taking a little bit more to build up the pigment. Remember that there are no any harsh lines at the edges of your. Next, I am using this copper gold shade in the palette. I'm going to pick it with a dabbing brush, and I'm going to use this on the centers of the eye, I mean the eyeball area. To make this look very fresh, highlighted and poppy. This color is really going to look very beautiful. Using it on the halfway through on my eyes. See how fresh this makeup look can look with the help of goldenish, copperish eyeshadows, pigmented eyeshadows. This looks really festive and really beautiful. Taking this silverish whitish shade in the palette, I'm taking a very small pencil type of brush. I'm going to put this in the inner corners of the eye. To get a doll-like eye effect. I'm going to extend this on the lower lash line as well. Then taking a clean brush, I'm going to take this burnt orange shade again and apply it on the lower lash line. This will complete the entire look very beautifully. It will blend the colors and the look together. For the brow bone area, I'm using this orangish goldish shade in the palette, this right here, and I'm going to highlight my brow bone with the help of this. To get the brow area look more poppy. I mean, you are doing an look. So you can go all the way glam, from subtle to glam, whatever you prefer. I really love this look. After I've lined my eyes, I'm going to use mascara. This is a brown mascara from Nikaiji Cosmetics to just bring this look out there, to just open up my eyes, to make look very fresh. Using it in the lower lash line as well. How opened up the eyelashes are looking. I really love the mascara, the way the mascara opens up your eyes. Moving on with the beautiful and the blush part of this look, I'm going to use blush from Milani Cosmetics. This is the Dolce Pink Baked Powder Blush. This is a very glittery brush, so this will go very well with this look because I'm doing a glass finish and a dewy makeup look. So I'm taking a blush brush and I'm going to swirl this brush inside this blush. I'm going to apply it on the apples of my cheeks and apply it in a circular motion, taking a little bit more. This is a glittery and a dewy blush, so this will complement my entire look. To highlight my face, I'm going to use Master Chrome Highlight from Maybelline. I'm going to use this highlighter with the help of a wet brush to get extra dewy and pigmented look. So I'll run this all-nighter setting spray on a very precise brush, and then I'm going to use this brush in the highlighter and apply it on the usual areas where I love to highlight my face. This will bring the entire look together and make it very dewy, really complementing the festive season and well suited for the best festive look. Applying whatever which is left in the brush on the forehead to make my forehead look very dewy, so that when you turn your face this way, you will see the shine on the entire highlighted areas. You will see a very highlighted look, and this will make your look very beautiful. After the highlighter, I'm going to apply a very beautiful neutral color lipstick from Color Bar. This is in the shade Hot Latte 007, a very beautiful shade for all skin tones, I would say. Very beautiful and the best shade for occasions like Eid. I'm going to line my lips with the help of this. This is a very beautiful color, a neutral mauvey brownie color, very beautiful. I'm going to use a gloss from NYX. This is Lip Lingerie Lip Gloss. This is in the shade Bear With Me. This is a very beautiful gloss and this will make this look very dewy. Take a little bit more. Remember, whenever you are going for a dewy glass finish in the face makeup look, a gloss can be your best friend at that time because it will help to bring out the features of your face in the front, and your highlighted areas and your gloss will complement each other. Remember, and you can try this tip. To keep this look very fresh and dewy throughout the day, I'm going to again use the all-nighter setting spray on the entire face, keeping it at a distance and just letting it set, and then you're good to go for the entire day of Eid. You will look fresh, dewy and very elegant. So this is the final look which I have come up with. If you like this look, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and let me know, you girls out there sitting on the opposite side of the camera, let me know, do you also want to create this with blooming, flashing and glass finish makeup look for this Eid. You want to rock your Eid with the help of this makeup look? Let me know in the comments down below what do you think about this look. I wish all my viewers out there a very safe and a happy Eid. Eid Mubarak to everyone. Love you all. Bye.